it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I'm worth more than you could manage. Yeah. Oh, we want me, oh, we could be.
Good morning, YouTube. Oh, I'm so tired. It has been a minute since I vlogged. I know, y'all, I'm sorry. A lot has been going on. I have so much to catch you guys up on, but I'm gonna probably do that in like a get ready with me or something like that. For now, it is Saturday morning at about 8 a.m. and I'm up so early on a Saturday because I have a photo shoot today with Aunt Jackie's Curls, you know, the hair brand. They sell hair products and all that fun stuff. I'm sure you've heard of them if you be watching my channel. I mean, I've never really talked that much about their products on my channel, but yeah, so I'm doing a photo shoot with them today and I'm super excited and also a little bit nervous, but I need to be there by 11 a.m. It's in Miami, so it's gonna be about a 25 to 30 minute drive. There shouldn't be much traffic, thank God it's a Saturday morning. Yeah, but before I get there, I'm gonna need to stop at like Target or Walmart or something to pick up some tank tops because they want us to bring a white or black or purple tank tops or something like that. And I don't have any tank tops right now. I threw away a lot of my clothes, so I gotta go pick that up. Yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys with me to my photo shoot. Hopefully they allow me to vlog. I'm gonna ask for permission first, of course. Also gotta make a TikTok. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me to the photo shoot. This should be fun. So yeah, let's go.
Try in search of the life he's never heard from insane again, the tourist attractions and spectacles. So that's
too sexy for that job. Too sexy for that job.
All right, y'all, I'm here and I'm nervous as hell. But the photo studio is really, really cute. But I'm still nervous because my hair, I don't know, but we'll see. So my makeup is done and I'm just waiting for them to finish with the other girl. She is so good. All done. Bye. It was so nice working with you guys. Hey guys. So I'm back at home, as you can see. So the shoot went really, really well. It was so much fun. Everybody there was so nice and just like hospitable and just good vibes, you know, just good vibes, good people. I liked the products. The makeup artist, child, she did her thing, okay, honey? I'm like, I wish I liked my hair more. I hate my hair, by the way. Hate it, don't like it, do not love it. Do not wear my hair like this ever. Never, ever want to wear it like this. But it's not the product's fault, it's just like, I wish that line had a gel. If the line had a gel, I probably like this a lot more. I did like the products, don't get me wrong. I really like that shampoo. I'm probably gonna get it at some point. Well, they're gonna send it to me, so never mind. But I really like the shampoo and the conditioner. It was real nice, okay, and the leave-in. Y'all know I'm not crazy about cream products and stuff like that, so I really, really wish this line had a gel. I hope they add a gel to the line, but I don't know, they already have really good gels, so I like their Flexi gel, so yeah, whatever. But I'm just gonna chill out for the rest of the day because at this point I have been working every day since Monday and I have more work to do tomorrow. So this is one of those weeks where it's just like I'm just going and going and going nonstop. But thankfully I'm not super tired, I'm not exhausted or anything. I did get a lot of sleep yesterday, so So there's like this pimple on my shoulder that I'm like, of course I get a pimple on my shoulder when I have a photo shoot, which I never have. And I never have pimples on my shoulder. Like, why? Why, God? Why do you hate me? But yeah, super vulnerable moment. I was the only girl in there with like tight type 4 hair. The 2 other girls were like with looser curl patterns. One girl was like more 3A, 3B, and then the next girl was like more 3C ish, and then there was me, and everybody's just doing their hair, and it just comes out, and then everybody's like, oh my gosh, it looks so beautiful. I mean, by the time I was done with my hair, half the people had left to go catch their flights or whatever. But I just felt like that little girl that hated her hair again when I did not like my texture, and I wish I had everybody else's texture but my own. I just felt like that little girl again for a moment, and I just had to be like, you're here for a reason. Like, you're here to represent the girls with curls like you, so just remember that. But I'm not gonna lie, like, it was just like, for a moment there I was just like, I just want to go home, because one of the, I guess, women who work for Aunt Jackie, she was like, we want more definition, we want more definition, we want more volume. And I'm just like, my hair can't do that. Like, I need gel if y'all want definition and a lot more water. So like, this is what we get. And I just like, it's really hard to like be into the camera and like, you know, doing everything when you're just not confident about, you know, your hair. But you know, I just did my thing, I did my best, and the pictures did look like they came out really good. So, and the video looks fun. My hair is not bouncing around and super defined like the other 2 girls, but that's just what it is. That's what my hair does. Not to mention the fact that like I've been struggling in general with like this length is not what I'm used to, and yeah, I don't know. It was a little hard, but the shoot was fun. My makeup looks fantastic. I wish my hair looked better so I could take some nice pictures, but here we are. So, good morning, YouTube. It's Sunday morning. After I got home from the photo shoot, I just chilled the fuck out. Okay, I just chilled out. I actually had a FaceTime date, so that kind of took up the rest of my night. But yeah, today I got some stuff to do, so I have to clean up my apartment. It's looking a mess. Y'all see that? It's a mess. Okay, after I clean, I want to record a video or 2, maybe, probably just 1. I want to record a Shein haul. I just got a big old package from Shein. I had to order some clothes for work, so that's it sitting over there. So I want to do a haul with that, of course. That's really all I have to do today. I also kind of want to go to the grocery store and get some things to bring to work, some snacks and like lunch and stuff, because I've been buying lunch almost every single day, and child, we don't have time for that. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. It's not gonna be a very chill Sunday, but hopefully I can get all these things done pretty quickly so that I can just chill out for the rest of the day and get ready for the work week. So let's do it. Oh, but first I'm gonna eat breakfast, because y'all know how I do. I love my breakfast. Okay, let's go. Hi guys, I'm back and I finished cleaning my apartment. Don't mind that over there. I'm still trying to figure out how to fix this little workstation, okay? But yeah, I need that box, so I haven't thrown it away yet. I'm about to do my little try on haul, okay? All the clothes are up off my bed except for gym clothes for tomorrow and this wig that I need to wash. And the bathroom. I'm getting ready to do laundry after I do this try on haul. The bathroom is looking good. So I really tried to record this video. There's this beeping that won't stop, and it started last Sunday, and like I didn't hear it for the rest of the week, so I completely forgot to like call maintenance about it, and now it's starting up again. So I'm like, is this gonna be a weekly thing? Like, what is this? I don't know what this noise is. It's so annoying, and it's driving me insane, you guys. It's really driving me insane. Oh, it's driving me insane. But anyways, so yeah, I tried to do this try on haul, but you see, problem is the clouds came and it's too dark for me to like finish filming the video, and like the quality is just not as good for the TikTok. So I got a good amount in. I'm just gonna finish the rest tomorrow. Like I'll be looking the exact same tomorrow for work, because since I'm trying to be a lifestyle content creator, you kind of have to look good all the time. It's like, you know, you kind of have to look good. You kind of have to invest in your looks and blah, blah, blah. So I'll be investing more time and more resources into my looks. That's the plan anyways. So yeah, look at my kitchen lights. I rarely ever be like using that. Anyways, like I was saying, so I'm just gonna throw all this into the laundry. I gotta wash some other clothes too. Good morning, YouTube. It is Monday morning and I am running late for work as usual. I usually try to leave here at like at least 8 o'clock to 8:15. But I'm waiting for my bread to toast because I cannot go without breakfast, you feel me? So I woke up at 6 this morning. Yay me, because I'm not a morning person at all. I'm trying to start working out early in the mornings now because I need the afternoons to work on Janelle Saguira XO, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm just waiting for so I got up, I did a little workout. I did a jump rope for 10 minutes and then a Chloe Ting hourglass workout. And then I got ready. I did my makeup this morning. Your girl is ready to go. Okay, so I'm just waiting on my toast and then we can go. I have my boiled eggs cut up in here and my coffee, and we gonna get going. Hey guys, so I went to work and left my vlog camera at home. So now I'm back at home, but I'm about to leave.
Let's check this place. Rebel Wings.
So now I'm back home and I'm about to get ready to leave again because my friends want to go out for sushi and wings or something like that. I don't know, but I want to go because I'm gonna be bored for the rest of the night. So I did a TikTok when I got home. I wanted to record a YouTube video, but the sun it's just a little too late for all that. So I don't know, but we're gonna figure that out. But yeah, so I'm about to head out right now. I ain't bald headed, but y'all heard that? Okay. They talking about I'm supposed to join the bald headed hoe crew. What am I do for money? What am I do? They don't pay enough.
You have a job?
They don't pay enough. If I was just dependent on that job, my ass would be right back at Mr. and Mrs. Saguira house. Get married. It don't just work like that.
It does.
Y'all see what they encouraging me to do?
I don't know what you're doing, but we're taking some sake first.
Oh.
When I come for sake, do I sip on it? You can sip on it.
Actually,
it's hot. Exactly why you want to sip
Good morning. It is currently Wednesday at about 7:50 in the morning. I've been up technically since 5:30, but I kept hitting snooze until 6 o'clock. So I got up